Standard mileage deduction is one of the methods for business expense of your personal vehicle. You use your personal vehicle for business activities, so you can deduct that expense. It's called the standard mileage method. This year, 2023, the rate is 65.5. So if you drive 1 mile, you can deduct 65.5 cents. So the thing I want to mention to you is 5 things you must remember when you claim standard mileage deduction. Number 1, you need to write down the date you drive. Number 2, you need to write down the purpose why you drive. Number 3, where you start. Number 4, where you end, and the total mileage. Where you start, normally if you don't have a home office, it's not from home, and it needs to be from your office. But if you have home office, you can deduct from home to the place. And remember that if you don't, call Community CPA at 515-288-3188.